guys, what's up? Awesome11 here, and there's there's a camera down there, right here, but I'm gonna make it big screen because today I'm going to show you how to solve a Rubik's cube, a 3x3, using two simple moves. So first off, so the moves are this. Right. So you want to do this, then this. Wait, no. Wait, never mind. No. This is how you do it. So you do up, right, then you take. Okay, so now that I did this, the top layer of what's facing you goes this direction. Dang it, goes this direction. You got that? And so basically here, well, physically, it's like this. Right, up, right, up, right. Like that. Now, I'm going to solve it using those two moves, and you're going to watch me do it. Alright? But don't mess it up before you do it. You gotta start like when it's all colorful, so it messes it up, and then it will solve it. Not supposed to. Guys, one sec. Hello? Yeah, I'm in the middle of a YouTube video here, but I paused it. Sure. Might be there in an hour or two. My parents are sleeping, and then when I'm finished with this YouTube video, I'm gonna ask them if we can go. And then I'll call you. I'll bring your phone with you so I can call you to notify you when I'm going or not. Alright? Alright, bye. Okay, sorry about that. I got a call. So I'm gonna continue what I was doing. There you go. It's all solved. If you didn't get this right, leave it in the comments, and I'll do another video, but I'll record it with my phone, and that might make it easier for you to look. So remember, okay, so remember that, because that's how you're gonna have to solve it, and so it's all solved. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thumbs up if this helped, thumbs down if it didn't. So yeah, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!